Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change time in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, it is important to note that changing the time on the device can have implications for various applications, services, and functionalities that rely on accurate time information. Therefore, it's generally recommended to keep the device time synchronized with the correct time. So how to change it? Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, open Play Settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can scroll down and then select General Management option. Okay, so here please select Date and Time menu. And on this page, you can turn off this option and change the time here. Okay, after finishing, click the option to save. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the time in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.